Okay, now we're going to give a demo of the performance of CoffeeBot against a human player, myself. So we've already played several hands, so CoffeeBot has gained some observations of my playing style. Okay, so the flop has been dealt, and I might decide I'm going to just check here. CoffeeBot raises. So let's just take a look at details of CoffeeBot to see why they decided to raise here. Okay, so as we can see, CoffeeBot is receiving messages from the server such, as follows, and is using these messages to update its internal knowledge of the current game state. So here's a game state object here, and CoffeeBot is calculated in the current state. It has a 68% chance of winning. Then it recursively runs the Mix-Max algorithm on this game state. So it works out the value of a fold is -4, the value of a check is around 4.39, and the value of a raise is around 5.55. So since the raise has the highest value, CoffeeBot decides to raise. So we're just going to call here. Okay, so another card's been dealt. This helps us a little bit, so maybe we'll bet here. So this time CoffeeBot's called, which is quite interesting. If we take a look at the code, the win probability is still the same, but the value of a check has increased and the value of a raise has decreased. So one drawback in the Mix-Max algorithm is it's difficult to tell exactly why CoffeeBot gives these numbers, but it's probably because since we raised, it believes we have stronger cards, so its chance of winning has decreased. Let's just check here. CoffeeBot decided to raise again, so this time we're just going to call. Okay. And let's take a look. At the end of the hand, CoffeeBot. Yes, CoffeeBot updates its opponent model. So this is a histogram, shows the revealed hand strengths, and this is the classifier used, knife-based classifier used for calculating the opponent model. And anyway, against CoffeeBot, we've been following a fairly conservative strategy and folding often because we wanted to see, will CoffeeBot realise that it can bluff us frequently? Because we play very conservatively, and often fold. The best strategy for CoffeeBot is actually to bluff often, and even with weak cards, and hope we fold. So let's see what CoffeeBot does. So CoffeeBot's bet here, but let's take a look. CoffeeBot actually has weak cards here, and its chance of winning is only 12%. However, it's decided to bet. This is because in past observations we frequently fold, which gives a low value for checking or folding and a high value for betting. So in this case we'll decide to fold. Once again, CoffeeBot updates its model to show our frequency of folding, and we've demonstrated that CoffeeBot can learn to take advantage of opponents' weaknesses, in this case by following the deceptive strategy of bluffing.